USPS exam 710, 720, 725, and 730.
And I shall go through all questions with correct answers. I shall read each and every question and give you the best possible correct answers. Let's move on, laptop.
That is relevant to clerical battery. These are the sample test questions with the best answers. Before starting this exam, please subscribe my channel. If these videos are useful, please write in the comment section these are useful, or if you have any query or questions, confusion, let me know at my official number. I shall provide you my help. If you need these notes and the PDF, please mention in the comment section with your email. I shall provide you. First section is relevant to the sequence. Question number 1, Trojan and Sam. So these are the 6 options here. Trojan author L, Rogani Pada, and these are the different options. So correct option is option B. Next question is this one. 05076012. This is a sequence and A, B, C, D, E options are given. Correct option is option D, 05076021. So next question is question number 3, CBA 18175. So CAA 1720, CAB 1815, CAC 1804, SCAD 1402, and CAD 1402. What is the correct option? Correct option is option E, CAD 1402, or D, depending on the exact position of which this is E. Comparison question 4, Helene, Bidel, Helene. So these are the different name, and the correct is the second and third are exactly alike. So number 5, these are the option FT Vedmir. So correct option is first and second are exactly alike. So number 6, 3214 W Beaumont Street. Correct options are all are different. So number 7 is given option 1, 2, 3. The correct option is first and third are exact alike. Question number 8, correct, all 3 are exactly alike. There is no difference in their numbers. Spelling section. Question number 9, accommodation, accommodate, none of the above. So correct option is option D, none of the above. Question number 10, manageable, 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 none of the above. Correct option is option B, manageable. Then math computation section. Question number 11, 11.32 plus 26. What would be the answer? That would be 69595584, none of the above. Correct option is 58. So number 12, 12.57 minus 15. These are the answers. 72625444, none of the above. Correct option is none of the above. Question 13, 13.23 multiplied by 7. What is the answer? 164, 161, 54. The correct option is option B, 164, 161. It's number 14. For 160 divided by 5, what is the answer? 32302521, none of the above. Option is correct option is option A. Following instruction uses lookup tables. Question number 15, look at the letter number combination below. Find the third letter number combination from the left. T1, S5, P2, and this one. So these are the different combination. What is the correct option is option B. Question number 16, Look at the letter below. Find a count each letter that appears only once. Use the letter Q with your count. So these are the letters. What is the correct option? Correct option is option C. Question number 17. Look at the letter below. Find and count each Q. Use the letter that appears at the beginning of line and your count of letter Q. So the correct option is option A. Grammar and punctuation. Major repair has accused the cafeteria to be closed until late October. Option B. Cafeteria will be closed until late October on account of major repair. Option C. Cafeteria will be closed for major repair until late October. Option D. The closing of cafeteria until late October due to completion of major repair. So the correct option is option C. Cafeteria will be closed for major repair until late October. Vocabulary and reading comprehension. The stop was amazed by news. Amazed most nearly means please subscribe, saddened, relieved. Correct answers or option B. Surprise is correct option. So number 20. Delete most nearly means retype, reread, revise, remove. Correct option is option D. Remove. Question number 21, paragraph about filing errors. Question number 21, the paragraph best supports the statement that filing option A may contain the error that are not immediately noticeable, should be organized by typist rather than file color, is a more difficult process than typing, should be checked for errors more frequently than typing. Correct option is option A, many contain errors that are not immediately noticeable. Question number 22, paragraph about efficiency of task. The paragraph best supports the statement that it is more efficient to perform a task slowly than rapidly. Skill in performing a task should not be acquired at the expense of time. Option C and option D. Correct option is option C. The most efficient execution of task is not always the one done in the shortest time. Key exam information. The total exam time is 1.5 hours. Total questions are 140. Passing scores are minimum 70%. No penalty for wrong answer. Answer every question. Each section is timed separately. You cannot go back. That's all for today. Please subscribe my channel with financials, and if you need any help and if you have any question, let me know at the comment section. If these videos are useful, please mention in the comment section. I shall reply you as soon as possible.
That's all for today.
Thank you
Please
for
visit
watching
my
this
channel
video.
with
See